कपडे घालण्याची तर नव्हतीच नव्हती. भारतात सगळ्यात पहिले जगामध्ये कपडा तयार करण्याची कला इथे विकसित झाली आणि बाहेरून आपण सिल्क घेऊन येतो. सिल्क रूट इज देअर. ते इतिहासात तुम्ही वाचला असेल कदाचित. Japan is developed and India is underdeveloped country. It is because there is major issue in developing skills and working. How to develop those skills? Skills कसे develop होणार? कौशल्य कसं विकसित होणार? You are going to market after few years and then you may even today you must be reading newspaper. कोण वाचतंय हा प्रश्न मी विचारणार नाही, त्याच्यासाठी मी तुम्हाला वेगळं भेटेल.
You today with great pleasure and pride to introduce our esteemed college that all it has to offer us. Now, talking about our college established in August 2019 and it conducted by Kalyan Citizen Education Society and affiliated to University of Mumbai. We offer different courses, different programs for different courses. Can I have the next slide, please? There are inspiration, the founder of B.K. Birla Institution across the nation, Srimati Sarlaji Birla and late Shri Basant Kumarji Birla, very own Bapuji. Next slide, please. Who is that saying yes, ma'am?
So, as you are patiently listening, everyone, the most important thing before leaving the college, before leaving this hall, you have to give your feedback regarding this program, right? So, if it is scannable from here, you can do it. If it is going to make it chaos, then it will come into your WhatsApp group. Without fail, you have to feed that, right? Now, as the tradition, end of the program ends with the vote of thanks. For that, I feel incredible honored and privileged to have been here to extend the formal vote of thanks for today's grand orientation program of all FY classes. On behalf of our college, I would like to express my gratitude to Shri O.R. Chitlange, Chairman B.K. Birla College, B.K. Birla Public School and B.K. Birla Night College. Dr. Naresh Chandra, Director Education, B.K. Birla College and B.K. Birla Night College. Dr. Bipin Chandra Wadekar sir, the Principal of B.K. Birla Night College, for his mentorship, guidance and support throughout for every program which we conduct. I deem it as full pleasure to thank the college management for providing all kind of infrastructural facilities for conducting such a grand program smoothly. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to my fellow colleagues for their joint efforts for the success of this program. Of course, the non-teaching staff and my beloved students, without whom the program would not have been possible and come to the success. Thank you all once again. I declare this program is over.